Mr. Shannon, and he wants to give a wonderful review about the benefits of oregano oil.
Yes, indeed. It is something that I've been taking now for about 8 to 10 months. Once Miss Pamela let me know exactly how you need to take it, where you don't want to take it for months at a time, but you kind of want to do a 2 week on, 2 week off type of deal. But I've noticed an increase in my energy. In the mornings that I do take it, I got a little bit more pep in my step. It's really helped out my skin. It's kind of helped out with everything. To be honest with you, it's horrible tasting at first, but I have developed a liking for it now. Put it in some ginger ale, you never can even taste it now that I've been taking it so long. But it is great, it's a great product. It's a lot of stuff out there that people say that works and it really doesn't work. Some stuff work for people and some stuff don't, but this is one thing that I think will work for anyone that would take the time to take it. Look up the reviews. They tell you so much information about what it actually helps, and there's so many different things that it helps that, you know, these bad pills out here don't help. So I recommend everybody to at least try it for a week, and you'll feel the difference.
That's fantastic. I'm just going to ask you one more question before we sign off.
Okay.
Now, what about, do you suffer from any type of sinus problems, allergies during the season of the spring season?
I used to. And now with the oregano oil, I've felt it lighten up a lot. Normally in the mornings I get up and not be able to breathe or anything like that, but I take my oregano oil before I get in the shower. Once I get out of the shower, my nostrils are clear, and I don't really have that problem throughout the day.
All right, we thank you so much for sharing with us so
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you can help others.
Yes, ma'am.
Take
Thank you
care.
for helping me.
You're welcome. Blessings. Hi, everyone. This is Darielle,
How you doing upstate?
and he is going to give a review of how oregano oil has helped him.
It's a great product in my opinion. I've used it for the past several months, and it gives me a lot of energy, especially when I take it in the morning, getting ready for work. Even at night when I take it, it helps me sleep at night. Overall, it cleans you out. I mean, it's good for your intestines, it's good for your insides, and whenever you have that long weekend, you put all that bad stuff into your system, and it works better than the detox tea. So I recommend giving it a try 100%. It'll have you feeling better about yourself, and have your mind clean, have you clean. All right, and in addition, if you're dealing with bad allergies like I am, I mean, it's really helpful. I remember in January I had my allergies was acting bad, throat was itching, the runny nose. I mean, I had the basic head case and everything, and I took it for about a week straight, and my allergies, I mean, snapped away. Of course, I'm still hyperallergenic to the pollen and everything going on out here, but at least if I take it 2-3 times a week, I mean, it's just not as bad. It works better than Robitussin, Tylenol, all that good stuff. So if you don't like medicine, it is a good replacement for it. All you got to do is drink with some cranberry juice and you on the way.
Thank you so much, Darielle.
Anytime.
This will help a lot of people.
Hey, well, definitely, I recommend oregano 10 out of 10, no doubt about it.
And where do you purchase your oregano from?
From Miss Pam, the one and only.
Merchants of the World.
There you go.
All right, thank you.
Oh, anytime, Miss Pam, anytime. I got you.